Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable account on Discord. Maybe you want to take a break from Discord and you want to deactivate your account. So today I'm going to show you how to disable account on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this user settings page, select this account option. In this page, scroll up and here, under account management section, you will now find this disable account option. Simply tap on it. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your password. Once you are done typing in your password, tap on this OK button. After that, your account will be disabled and you will not receive any notifications or messages from Discord. If you choose to disable your account on Discord, it will appear as a typical deactivated account without any username or identifying information visible on the platform. However, it is important to note that after a period of 2 years, your account will be permanently deleted. To ensure that your data remains secure, it is recommended that you log in before this deletion occurs. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable account on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable account on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.